God, Jessica, you are flying. This model is amazing. We're meeting Jessica here today at Pulte. I'm really excited because she said she has something very special for us. Sorry about that. Come on in.
Hey, Jessica.
All right, Jessica, I am so excited to be here at Pulte. This is actually the first time I got to tour the models, and can't wait to see what you have. And you said you had something like a surprise?
Yep, we are going to look at two of my models today that are decorated. We're going to learn a little bit more about the community and the specials that we're offering. And at the end, I'm going to give you a sneak preview of something new coming soon.
Oh man, I can't wait. What do you think of that, guys?
Looking forward to it.
All right, well, let's go take a look.
Let's go. Do it. So Jessica, what makes Two Rivers a unique community, a master plan community, compared to everything else that's around here?
I think that it's just so unique because it's been such a long time since we've seen a community of this size and magnitude with this many amenities. It's not just one central amenity center. There are multiple that the homeowners can go to here. And also on top of the amenities, there's going to be commercial convenience like Publix, restaurants, and other commercial in the community, so you don't have to leave to get everything you need.
Inside the community?
Yep.
Well, that sounds pretty awesome.
What do you think of the kitchen?
Oh my gosh, I love how open this kitchen is. I love the countertops here.
Yes, and gas cooking is standard as well. One of the few communities that offer that in Wesley Chapel.
I love the soft close cabinets. What types of other amenities do you offer that sets you apart?
Two Rivers is really unique with the amenities, just in the entire area that sets us apart. I would say just all of the walking and fitness trails that we're going to have in the community with all of the pocket parks all along that. And then the landing, which is the amenity center that the Pulte homeowners will have access to. That's going to offer 2 pools, a gym with restaurant and bar, clubhouse, the water slides, a lot of sports courts, including tennis and pickleball. And then we'll have some event venue areas where, you know, folks can do food truck nights or have concerts or local community events.
That's amazing.
Yeah, speaking of amenities, can you tell us more about the landings? I keep hearing about this landings, and it's supposedly, you know, the main attraction here at Two Rivers.
Yeah, so the landing is definitely the nicest of all the amenity centers here at Two Rivers. I think it's very highly sought after. It's going to offer a bunch of different sports courts. I know everybody really loves pickleball these days, so there'll be a lot of pickleball courts, tennis courts. There's going to be 2 pools. One will be a lap pool, and the other will be more of like a lagoon style pool with a water slide and everything like that, so it's super fun. And then there will be the restaurant and bar on site as well, and the clubhouse. They are also going to have a gym where they will offer yoga and spin classes. Outside, there are also 2 venues where we can do concerts, food truck nights, things like that for the community, and the playground with the nature landforms as well. It's going to be a really big campus full of a lot to do for everyone here.
Jessica, this kitchen is amazing.
Thank you.
So what kind of customization options do buyers have when they build with Pulte?
They have a ton of options they can do with all of our 20 floor plans. So each floor plan is going to offer different structural modifications that you can do to make it fit your needs. Okay. In addition to that, all 20 are going to go to the full design center experience. They're not going to be limited to a package. So they're going to be able to do things like pick cabinets to the ceiling, the quartz backsplash, whatever flooring they want. There's really a ton of options. The sky's the limit, and we're always updating and refreshing what we offer at the design center.
Yeah, this is so incredible. I'm excited for my buyers.
Yeah, me too.
Immediately walk in. It's off to the side here.
Yep. And
these ceilings, really tall. It makes it feel really open.
Yes, that's something that a lot of clients notice is we have some of the tallest ceilings out of all the builders in here, and these are included, the iron spindles on all of our plans.
These are included. Most builders don't do anything like that.
No, they do not.
Now, tell me, what kind of lifestyle and what kind of people are living in this community?
I mean, we really have something for everyone here. I think anyone who's living here is really just looking for something that is a very heavy amenity lifestyle with a lot of convenience nearby. We have anything from 2 to 6 to 7 bedrooms, so we have something that's going to fit everyone, 1-story and 2-story.
Something for everybody here, and there's a lot to do within the community.
Yes, absolutely.
Love that.
Jessica, so what all is there to do outside the neighborhood?
So in addition to everything there is in the community nearby, out and outside of the landing, there is the Publix that just started construction recently. So that's going to be up at the front entrance. And then there is also space that's reserved for future commercial. So nothing's been confirmed yet, but I definitely think there's going to be a lot of good spots to eat and go shopping. In addition, the shops at Wiregrass are only about a 10-minute drive down the road. So lots to do nearby.
I mean, how many floor plans do you have here?
We have 20 different floor plans here.
20?
Mm-hmm.
Which one has been like the favorite? Like how many are you selling the most?
How about I show you right now? Our Roseland model.
Is this it?
Yeah,
The
this is
Roseland?
it. Yep.
Oh, perfect.
Oh man, I
Tell
could
me a
talk
little
all
bit
day
about
about the
the-
Roseland. This one is a 4 to 5 to 6 bedroom option. It's about 4,300 square feet. It does have the owner's upstairs with optional bedrooms down, and then there's some really cool features in it like a wine cave and a pool bath, along with a lot of other things to love.
Oh wow, the pool bath. I want to see that.
Yep.
All right, very.
So what is this room?
This looks like the perfect man cave.
Yeah, it could be. It is our game room option on the Roseland floor plan. It's the first floor recreational area that kind of makes up for not having a loft.
The only thing missing is 2 more TVs.
You could fit 4 on the wall. You could even do a little bar speakeasy vibe. You could make it whatever you want.
Perfect for Sundays.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, is this the master?
Yes, yeah. This
Oh,
is
wow.
our owner's suite upstairs.
Great.
It's great,
Yeah,
right?
Nice. Yeah, nice size. Oh wow, look at the size of this
Yeah,
bathroom.
double door is always a good sign, right?
Oh, Mike, what are you doing in the bathtub?
I was wondering, what energy efficient features do you guys offer?
Oh, well, I'm glad you're asking in the bathroom. We actually offer a lot. So we have great insulation compared to other builders, radiant barrier, a lot of really up-to-date energy efficient features. The most important, though, I would say, is probably the tankless hot water heater. So you can be in the bath and someone can be taking a shower at the same time. Someone else can be doing the laundry and you're not going to run out of hot water.
Wow. Oh my God, Jessica, you are lying. This model is amazing. What's the name of it again?
This is our stand-up plan. This is brand new to the Tampa division. No other community has it except Two Rivers. It's part of our 70-foot platinum series that we just started selling. Decor is coming next week, so stay tuned for that.
Man, yeah, this is, I can't believe the ceiling.
Yep.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
And then these
The zero corners.
zero corners,
Yep.
what do we call it? The zero
Zero corner
corners.
side of the whole wall will open up.
That really got to make it like an indoor-outdoor type lifestyle. So yeah, this is great. And, I can't wait to sell one of these first
Yeah,
and
me too.
foremost. But do you have anything that's like a spec home or quick move-in, or like if somebody needs to move in quicker than whatever the
Yes.
8 months?
Yeah, our standard build time is going to be about 7 to 8 months from contract to closing, but if you just can't wait that long, then I do have a couple of spec homes in the ground. We call them inventory homes. We have 3 that are move-in ready that qualify for our interest rate buy-down specials, and then we do have some more, a little bunch coming later this fall that'll get people in before the school year. So we've got something now and some coming later, but we always have a couple in the pipeline.
Well, you did mention like incentives for some of those homes.
Yes.
And I know they change,
Yes,
you know,
yeah.
like monthly it seems like, but do you have anything special going on right now?
I would say the ones that are moving ready have a little bit higher incentive than what the to-be-built or dirt sale ones would get, and they are able to qualify for those interest rate buy-down specials, unlike doing the typical 7 to 8 month process where you would have to wait to lock in your interest rate. Those you can lock in today, and our buy-down specials are really amazing.
So yeah, that's the thing. Listen, guys, like when it comes to incentives, they do change very often. You're probably wondering why she's not giving out specific numbers right now, because that could change tomorrow, right? So you need to call us, you need to email us, text us, whatever it is. Get the latest incentives, you know, if you are serious. And yeah, we'll let you know what they are.
See you soon, hopefully.
All right, guys. Yes, thank you for watching. Can't wait to see this Sanibel model. You have to see it in person. Call myself, call Taylor, call Mike. You'll have our information below in the comment section. So please, thank you, Jessica.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming out.
Appreciate
Absolutely.
you.
Always good to see you.
All right, bye. All right, guys. Thank you again for watching. If you want more information on Two Rivers, Pulte Homes, or any of the other builders here, we are going to shoot videos at those builders. Again, this is the first featured builder that we did a video for here at Two Rivers. But if you have any questions or you want to tour the community, please reach out to myself, Taylor, or Mike. Our information again is below in the description. And yeah, we hope to hear from you. All right, bye.
Where's Mike? Mike, are you still in here?
Oh man, I'm still just thinking about how nice it would have been to watch Philly win the Super Bowl in here.
We gotta go.
I'm staying.